Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a tool that could transform your daily hair routine and give you salon-worthy results from the comfort of your home, the Azeus Ionic Hair Straightener Brush. This turquoise blue beauty promises sleek, smooth, and frizz-free hair in minutes. But does it really deliver? Let's break it down. The Azeus Ionic Hair Straightener Brush is designed to give you fast, efficient results with an adjustable temperature range up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This updated version, released in 2025, features two MCH ceramic heating units, which offer fast and even heating to ensure that you get a consistent result with every pass. The brush also comes with an ionizer and nano-ceramic coating on the teeth, which helps protect your hair from moisture loss and static, reducing the risk of burns and frizz. With over 20 million ions per cubic centimeter, the brush aims to deliver smoother, shinier hair while keeping it healthy. From the moment I first used this brush, I was impressed by how easy it was to incorporate into my routine. I used it on dry hair, starting at the roots and slowly working my way down to the tips. The key is to move at a moderate pace to allow the heat to effectively straighten each section of hair. The brush glided smoothly through my hair, and I could immediately feel the difference. No tugging or pulling, just sleek strands. The adjustable temperature control with an LCD digital display is another nice touch. You can easily set your desired heat level and lock it in, so you don't have to worry about accidentally changing the temperature mid-styling. The anti-scald feature also made me feel a lot more confident, as I could get close to my roots without any fear of burns. Now, let's talk about the results. After just a few passes, my hair looked noticeably smoother, with reduced frizz and a healthy shine. What I really appreciated was how the brush didn't leave my hair feeling dry or stripped. Thanks to the ionizer and ceramic coating, my hair felt soft and hydrated even after styling. The anti-frizz effect lasted throughout the day, which is always a win in my book. Of course, no product is perfect. While I did love the speed and ease of use, I did notice that it took me a little longer to get my hair fully straightened compared to using a flat iron. The brush works great for straightening, but it might take a bit more time if you're looking for ultra-sleek, bone-straight results. For natural, textured hair like mine, it worked well, but some users with thicker or curlier hair might want to use it in conjunction with a flat iron for the best results. In terms of value, the Azeus Ionic Hair Straightener Brush is reasonably priced considering the features it offers. It's durable, easy to use, and does a good job of protecting your hair from damage, which is key when choosing styling tools. The ion technology and ceramic coating are a bonus for anyone looking to reduce heat damage and improve hair health, and the 450 degrees temperature range makes it versatile for different hair types. It's not the cheapest straightening tool out there, but it definitely provides good value given the technology and performance. Now, if you're looking for an alternative, there are a few options on the market that might offer a similar experience. Some other brands have ionic straightening brushes, but they often lack the precision temperature control or the advanced ceramic coating that the Azeus offers. If you're on a tighter budget, there are more affordable options, but they might not deliver the same level of protection or consistent results. Overall, I would say that the Azeus Ionic Hair Straightener Brush lives up to its promises. It's powerful, easy to use, and helps protect your hair while delivering smooth, frizz-free results. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a quick and effective way to style their hair with minimal heat damage. If you have thick or curly hair, just be prepared to spend a little more time on your styling routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Would you recommend it to others? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.